Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Trivedi here, and you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. This is my third day of challenge. So I created two videos. If you haven't watched them, go and watch those videos. Then watch this video completely. So today is the third day of this challenge, and today I'm going to talk about my family. So first of all, I want to tell you I come from a family of five members. I live in a nuclear family. Okay. My parents are there, and I have three siblings, including me. So I have two elder sisters, and I'm the youngest one in my family. So if I talk about my father, so my father is a farmer. As I told you in the last video, that I was born and raised in a village. So my father and my family is also dependent on agricultural land. Okay. So my father is a farmer and he does farming. And when it comes to my mother, so she is a homemaker. She takes care of the family and she takes care of the cattles too. We have just right now we don't have any anymore, but in the past we had a buffalo and all these animals we had. So my mother is taking care of that as well, and my mother is taking care of home. So my father is a farmer, mother is homemaker, and I have two elder sisters. So if I talk about my sisters, so one of my sisters got married in 2023 and she has a baby child and she's about to complete 1 year. So means she is 1 year old. Okay. And another sister which is there at home. So right now my parents and my sister, one of my sisters is living at home, but I'm living in Kanpur city, and my sister who got married, she's living with her in-laws in Kanpur city, the same city I'm living. Okay. So the next thing about the education of my sisters, so one of my sisters studied, that is master's degree, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. She completed her master's and she is teaching in a convent school. Okay, she lives in a village with my parent and she is teaching in a convent school which is nearby. I mean to say, it is in my home, it is my town, which is 3 kilometers away from my home. So she goes to that town every single day and she comes back in the afternoon or evening. So she teaches in a convent school. At the same time, she conducts some classes for students called as home tuition. And even though some students come to my home for getting classes, she is teaching there at home as well. Okay, so she completed her education, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature, and she's teaching in a convent school. Okay, and she's providing coaching classes as well. She provides coaching classes to students as well. And then another sister who got married, if I talk about her, she also completed her master's, that is master's degree in pedagogy. Okay. So she studied master's degree in pedagogy, but now she's living with her in-laws and her husband and her baby child, that is baby girl. So she's living in Kanpur city. Now, when it comes to me, as you already know maybe a lot about me, that I completed my master's degree too, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. And now I'm living in Kanpur city. I create videos, and at the same time, I provide classes for my students. I conduct one on one sessions for people. I help them to speak English. So this is all about my family, but three members are living in village: my father, my mother, and one of my sisters. And one sister which just who got married, she's living with her in-laws in Kanpur city, same city I live in, but I'm living here in a rent. On rent, I'm living in a student area and I'm focusing on my career. I'm trying to improve myself. And these days, as you know, that I'm trying to create videos, I'm choosing very simple topics so I can become comfortable while speaking English in front of camera, because I already told this and the previously said that I created a lot of conversations on various platforms and I'm quite comfortable making conversations. But when it comes to speaking in front of camera, it's a challenging task for me. I need to work on it. That's why these days I'm choosing very simple topic and I try to speak on it at least for few minutes. And I already created two videos, and this is the third day of this challenge. And I want to continue this further until or unless I become confident speaking on camera and I can share my thoughts, I can share my experience without hesitation and without fear to you people. So thank you so much for your support. Keep watching this video, and you can also follow this challenge. Kind of videos I am creating, you can also take the same topic and you speak on it for 2 minutes and 3 minutes. Record your video. That is going to help you a lot to become confident while you're speaking English, because this is a great practice. And I'm so happy that I'm able to do it due to YouTube. So I'm really thankful to YouTube. So, but if you want to improve your English, make sure do it for yourself every single day and you will be able to see the differences. So that's it for today. Thank you so much and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.